Listen the fuck up, you asswipe. If you're still using that bullshit slow-ass mouse, you're doing it all wrong. It's time to ditch that piece of junk and get yourself the Logitech G502 Hero. This isn't just a mouse, this is a fucking monster that will send your old gear straight to the trash. You want to win? You want to dominate? Then you need this mouse in your hands. No more excuses, no more getting your ass handed to you by people with better setups. And if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the fuck up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. First off, let's talk about performance. You think your old mouse is fast? It's a fucking joke. The Hero 25K sensor on this thing gives you 1-to-1 tracking, 400 plus IPS, and a 25,600 DPI range. You heard me right, 25,600 DPI. Your old mouse can't even handle basic tracking. There's no smoothing, no acceleration, no bullshit, just straight precision. You move, it tracks, no lag, no delay, no excuses. If you think your old mouse can keep up, you're a fucking idiot. Let's talk about customization, because the G502 Hero isn't just a mouse, it's a fucking weapon. With 11 customizable buttons, you can program this thing however the hell you want. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just trying to flex on your friends, this mouse adapts to your shit. And onboard memory? Yeah, it's got that too. You can save up to 5 profiles directly to the mouse, no software bullshit. Switch between them like you own the damn place. Now, the weight, because if your mouse doesn't feel right in your hand, you're f***ing screwed. The adjustable weight system lets you add up to 5 removable 3.6 gram weights, so you can fine-tune it to your exact specs. Want it heavier? Want it lighter? You're in control, asshole. This mouse is built to fit your needs, not the other way around. No more dragging that heavy piece of shit around. Customize your setup to feel like f***ing magic. The mechanical switch button tensioning is another badass feature. The left and right buttons have a metal spring tensioning system and pivot hinges that give you the crispy, clean clicks you need. It's rapid, it's responsive, and it feels like you're firing off shots faster than your old mouse could even dream of. No more sloppy clicks, every press is a f***ing headshot. And let's not forget the RGB lighting. This isn't some weak-ass glow you'll find on your old mouse. The Lightsync technology lets you customize the RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors. Sync it up with your other Logitech G gear, and your entire setup will light the f*** up. It's not just a mouse, it's a whole goddamn show. Make your gear look as f***ing good as it performs. Bottom line, if you're still stuck with that bullshit mouse, you're wasting your time. The Logitech G502 Hero is made for people who actually give a shit about winning. Precision, speed, comfort, and customization, this mouse has it all. If you don't want to be a f***ing amateur anymore, then grab this badass mouse and start winning. Or keep using that old trash and keep getting your ass kicked. It's up to you. Get your shit together and click the link in the description to grab your Logitech G502 Hero. Don't be a moron, upgrade your gear, or stay stuck in the past with that bullshit. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a f***.